Hi, my name's Louise Antoine and I'm one of the team leaders with Essens. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your ordering your starter kit. So the first thing you need to do is log into the Essens website. We do have an app, but I don't recommend that you use the app because it's notorious for glitching at payment. So if you go to your phone browser, which in my case is Google Chrome, it could be Safari if you're on an iPhone, etc. Okay, so once you've got there, you need to log in. So if you type in essens.co.uk at the top, and then you'll get this screen. So log in using the membership number and the passcode, 4-digit passcode that you were given in the email, first email that you got from head office. Once you're actually in there, all you need to do is tap on this little magnifying glass here and type in the word starter. That will present you with these 3 kits at the top. 2 ones are new ones for 2023, but all 3 kits contain exactly the same samples. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to go for it with the bottom one. This one is £23.40 in your first 30 days. Okay, so all you need to do is tap on to cart, and then at the next screen you can choose 5 samples of your choice. Okay, so you need to select them and then click next, and you need to do it again on the ones that you want. And the bar at the top, so it's 6 samples, but the bar at the top moves along as you keep adding them. And when you've got 6, the button to add to cart shows up. Okay, so then once you've finished that, you can add other products if you want to. You've got a new registration discount in your first 30 days, so you can head over to the promo tab and you'll find all the new registration discounts there. So you can add more if you want to, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to go with a kit. If you click on order, you will see the next screen, which is where you would choose any free products that you're entitled to. So just click next because we haven't got any. Then your delivery address comes up. Click next again. And then you get this screen, which is your shipping screen, where you choose your delivery option. Now, if you're lucky enough to live near the warehouse in Warrington, you can actually go and collect it for free. But I'll just tap delivery £7 because most people don't live near. And then you need to tap what payment method you're going to use. Now, you've only got one option, which is payment card, because we don't accept any other method. Now, if you go down to the bottom now, you can see the total that you have to pay, which is £33. You've got your shipping cost added on. Now, it'll be slightly lower for you because, as I said, you get a discount in your first few days. Screen, it gives you an order summary. If there was any messages you wanted to give to the warehouse, you can put them in that box there. And then if you scroll right down to the bottom, you can click on order, and you will get a tick saying that your order is confirmed. Click pay by payment card because your payment hasn't been taken yet. And that will take you to this screen where you can put in your cardholder name, your card number, your expiry date, and your CVC, which is a 3-digit code on the back of your card, and then click pay now. Now, I'm not going to click pay now because that will place the order and I've already got a kit. But that's how you place your first order. Hope this helps.